If your car has 4 cylinders, this is what's happening inside it every second. A 4-cylinder engine is the most common engine in cars. It has 4 pistons moving up and down inside cylinders, converting fuel into power. Each piston is connected to a crankshaft. As pistons move up and down, the crankshaft spins. That spinning motion is what turns your wheels. First, the intake stroke. The piston moves down, pulling in air and fuel into the cylinder. Next, compression. The piston moves up, squeezing the mixture tightly. Then comes the explosion. The spark plug ignites the fuel, forcing the piston down hard. This is where power is made. Finally, exhaust. The piston pushes burnt gases out of the engine. All 4 cylinders fire at different times, so the engine runs smoothly and continuously. 4-cylinder engines are popular because they're fuel-efficient, reliable, cheap to maintain. If one cylinder stops working, you'll feel misfires, loss of power, and rough running. Now you know what's happening under your bonnet. Follow for more simple car fixes.